Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. I'm late. I am so late for my morning show. Good morning. Welcome to the infamous Sylvia channel. And today we will be talking about our questions for the lawyer that's coming tomorrow. All right. All right. We're going to do the lunch question for today. Next, we're going to talk about the questions in regarding to the lawyer. My question for today for the lunch, for the person who's going to get the lunch, is what what was okay, here's a question. What day and what was the law that I played on my live this week? When did I play it, and what was the law that I played on my live this week? What was the law? Not the law, the motion. And what day was it done? What was the motion? This is in regards to the. In fact, Mr. 444 was the one that found it for us, so I have to give him a shout out. During this week, earlier this week, I need you to tell me what date did I show that law, not the law, but the motion that Mr. 444 showed that should be filed in regards to the appeal. Dun, 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 dun. Mary got it. But what day did I do it? What day did I do it? What day was it, Mary? Mary, you got it. So far, she won. She's winning. But what day did I do it? Mary is the first one to answer that question. Sorry, Ivan. Mary's the first one. And then the other part is, when did I do that live? Which day did I do that live? Hey, Adrian. Mary's the first one that got it. Sorry. Mary, what's the other part of the question? What's the other part? uh, you digging me? You can't win. You cannot win. You digging me? Okay, Mary, you got it. Yeah, fair is fair. Mary did shout it out first. So Mary, you're the winner for the lunch. He said people who already win cannot win again. Okay, stop it. Do you dig at me? Stop it. He said whoever won cannot win again. Mary, put in your cash app because she was the first one who said it. Fair is fair, y'all. Don't laugh at her. Mary, put in your cash app, and once Mr. 444 Smiles come in, and he will be sending you your lunch for today. Put in your cash app. And also, people who's doing this, you must have Zelle or Cash App, because how's he going to send you the money? He's not sending it to me. I'm not taking no money, because if he send it to me, I'm keeping it, because the IRS, they made a new ruling. Anything that comes in for Cash App and all those other things, you got to claim that income. So if I'm claiming the income, I'm going to get the benefit of it. Or so I take 10%. No, you can't appeal. She's fair is fair now. Come on now, fair is fair. I said Mary, what day is it? 'Cause once she said the 333, I mean 30330, she won right there because. All right, let me send him your Cash App. Hold on a second. Let me send it to him. Yeah, stop being mean to her. She won. She's the first one that had to answer. Let me send her. Oh, where did her Cash App go? Where did her Cash App go? Okay, there go Mary's at Cash App. Okay. All right. Every day, remember, every day is something different. Every day is something different. So tomorrow, be ready for tomorrow's Cash App win for lunch. Be ready. Good morning, Sylvia. I think some of you do see my main. Over, say hi and don't play. Don't reply. So today, I'm glad to see you. Yeah, I see your name. What was the 444 motion? I'm gonna go over that. And you guys get to see who is this person that's coming on. I can reveal it now. I could reveal it now. I can reveal it now because folks will be like, I got them locked and loaded, ready to come tomorrow. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna brainstorm. We're gonna um, K baby. I set the time, the live, whatever time in your area is what's going to show on your time. For example, those in the eastern area is going to show 10 o'clock for us. Those in the central was going to show 9 o'clock for you, and those in the mountain is going to show 8 o'clock, and those in California is going to show 7 o'clock. That's why you see 9 o'clock on yours. It's because it's 10 o'clock over here. I set it up at 10, and YouTube, corrected based on what area you're in. So your 9 o'clock is right for your area. Okay. All right. So now I'm gonna go ahead since I do have a question regarding what the 444 is. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to play it. Yes, 10 a.m. on Eastern Standard Time. He will be here. He's set, ready. He has all the transcript, and he's gonna have in the discussion. But my thing is, I sent him questions from you guys yesterday. Shout out to the people who send me questions. I send your question over, but there were not that many questions, and I hate for you guys to not have an opportunity to get your question answered because you did not follow instructions. And me stop bothering y'all. But we're gonna discuss that. We're gonna discuss the different questions and some of the things that we have seen. Um, did the judge call Rob a predator? Isn't that illegal? The prosecutors did. The prosecutor called him that. The prosecutor called him that. Yep, Michael, I got your question. But Michael, your question, yeah, you did send your question. You were the first one. I sent yours right away. Hey, Unique Thoughts. Let me put my link in so he could come in. Mr. 444 will come in. You email me. How is it that the prosecution change switch up the wording in the middle of the trial? Can't switch up the wording in the middle of a trial. That's a good question. That's a very good question. Did you email it to me? Because what I remember, I told you I'm copying and pasting. Okay, thank you, Miss Coltrane. Lady Coltrane just sent me her question. Let me just see this. If the juror can. Okay, I'm copying everything. You just make sure you just send it. I'm copying exactly the way you guys have it. I'm not correcting anything. I'm just copying it and sending it straight on to him. Straight on to him. I'm copying and pasting. I'm not. So make sure you spell check it and all, because I say it's questions from you guys. So I remove myself from that. Thank you, Miss Coltrane, Lady Coltrane. She sent hers. Let's see. Nobody else has sent any more questions. Because what he's doing, he's gonna set up his based and based it on the questions that you guys are asking. He has all the question. I mean, he has all the. I got T. T send me question. Thank you, Miss Ready Red send question. Thank you, Miss Ready Red. Who else? Michael, of course, send question. The other people I kind of deleted because thank you, Brooklyn. Brooklyn sent her question. Oh no, that Brooklyn asked me for the song. Brooklyn, I just want to tell you the song was taken off. So I was not able to get the song. The song was taken off of YouTube. So my apologies. I should have sent it to you before, but that song is taken off. I don't know why they took it off, but it's off. And I didn't download it. All right. Mary, he will be in a few minutes. He's sending it. He's sending your Cash App in a few. So you look out for it and let us know if you got it. He just texted me. So you're set for your lunch for today, ma'am. Congratulations, Mary. Mary, congratulations. Okay, love book. If that's a question, please send it over. Send the email. I will not take questions because I can't copy and paste from StreamYard. So you have to send it to my email. Have it open, ready for me to just copy and paste your question and send it straight over to him. One of the questions you guys could look at, and we could look it up, look at it. It was the fact, Adrian, you have to email it to me, okay, hon? You have to email it to me. All question that you have, email it to me. But we're gonna discuss these questions that you have. That's a good one. You have Adrian. Adrienne, it says, why did the judge allow evidence she ruled allowed in this trial? That's a good question. They canceled Rob's YouTube channel but not stream. Money move. I see them. Will the appeal be before sentencing? That's a good question. We'll do at my library. We'll say, oh, okay, sorry. Okay, you have until 5 o'clock today to give me the questions because I just want to give him enough time for the new questions to review it and bring it over to us. You got it. You got it, Mary. Congratulations again. What's my email? Chat. Put my email down, please. Good one. K baby, I got your question. I got your question. Can you guys kind of like, I'm copying and pasting. So if you guys do abbreviation, please make it easy for this man to understand the abbreviation, please. And don't say, can you ask? No, you ask the question because I'm copying and pasting. Don't put, can you ask? You ask the attorney, whatever the question. How can whatever, blah, blah, blah. All right. Because I'm copying and pasting exactly how you guys giving it to me. I'm being lazy. I'm not trying to correct anything. Okay, I'm getting messages. Hold on. Mary, it's not working. Your Cash App is not working. He just said your Cash App is not working. Can you give us the Cash App again? Mary, he said the Cash App is not working. He just tried to send it. Is it all lowercase? Because I did it exactly how you have it here. What about text it to me, Mary, and then I'll copy and send it straight to him, because then I won't make any mistakes. So here's my phone number to text it. Text it to that number. 'Cause I did it just like you have it, but he said it's not coming up. Oh, I see where I made a mistake. Sorry, my bad. I put an M-I instead of M-O. Um, you said, how can a jury convict R. Kelly of violating the Mann Act involving an accuser who did not go across state lines? That's a good one. Um, Mary, could you text me, please? He's asking me a question. Text me, because I don't want to put the question out there to the public. Could you text me, please? 770-856-3091. Because he's asking me a question, because he's trying to send you a Cash App. He's asking me a question. He wants to verify something with you, and I don't want to broadcast your personal name over here. Hold on a second. He's asking me for you to confirm, so I need to go ahead and text me so I can get this done, because he's waiting on me, please. Mary, text me. 770-856-3091. Okay. Yes, okay, we got it. Thank you. Yep. Thank you, Mary. You knew exactly what he was asking. Okay. He got you. You should get it in a few seconds. You knew exactly what he was asking. Okay. Sorry guys. I got the question for okay. Okay, baby, I got your question. Let's see. Okay. All right, let's see. Okay, let's see. All right, next person's question. Let's see who else is in here. Guys, I got to email these questions. Remember, I said email them to me. All right, thank you, Love Bug. I got your question. Got your question. So you're good. All right, Mary, congratulations. He sent it off. Can you verify that you received it? Congratulations, Mary. Okay, she got it. All right, you're welcome and enjoy your lunch. Enjoy your lunch. So tomorrow be ready for tomorrow's question. So now, guys, okay, so what you know what? I'm gonna have to get you guys. If you don't put all right, here's the instruction. I'm gonna say the instruction again. Here's my instruction. Please, please email me your question. The reason why I want you to email it because I could just copy and paste it, send it straight to him through email. Now I've gotten text messages on questions. I've gotten messages on the live right now. This I cannot copy and paste. I'm trying to make it as easy as possible for me. It's a whole bunch of you guys want to ask question, so I want to be able just to copy it and paste it and play. Make believe that you're talking to him directly. So when you ask him the question, ask it like you're talking to him. Okay, all right. I'm not trying to be like. I just need you guys to follow instruction. Seriously, I need y'all to follow instruction. Follow instruction, everybody, please. You want your question answered? Just send me an email, you guys. The email is up here. Send me an email and I will copy it, send it straight to him, and act like you're talking to him. Don't act like you're talking to me. Act like you're talking to him. Whatever questions you have for him, put it in the email. I'm copying and pasting it and sending it straight over to him. That's what I did yesterday for those who have asked questions. So that's what we're trying to do. So when he's giving the presentation, he'll know exactly what to hit, what areas to hit. So you guys will know. Valerie, I'm gonna beat your tail. I just said, okay, okay, we're gonna discuss the questions here, but if you want him to get the question, email it to me. Email it to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Adrienne. Thank you. But Valerie, I'm gonna kick your butt if you don't get that question over to me in the email format. Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate it. Lovebug, I got yours in there. Adrienne, I got yours in there. And some of you guys are asking the same question. So what I'm gonna do, the person that asked it first, I'm just gonna remove the other one and just add yours, the other one in. Okay. 'Cause I see a lot of people asking about the she ruled against certain evidence and then she let it in. I see that one. Okay, we got that. Because remember, this is an appeal process question. So you guys should gear your question towards the appeal process. You understand what I'm saying by that? Appeal process question. You know, that's the because he's going to give you the what can be put in, what you can't, and you know that type of thing. He's going to help you guys there. I heard everyone talking about an appeal, but what about filing a dismissal and retrial? That's still part of the what you call because you're it's not the actual appeal after sentencing, not that one. It's before you. He's going to explain everything to you. He's going to explain it to you guys exactly how it works. So just he's going to explain it all. It's not the appeal like after you get sentenced. Not that. It's something in between the appeal and the once you get convicted and the sentencing. It's like that intermediate part is something that you can do. He's going to explain. I'm not a lawyer. He's going to explain everything to you about that. Yeah, Mr. 444 is going to be in the panel and oh my God, Sydney. Oh my God, some of you guys, man. Sydney, email question. Adrian, I got all your questions in there, okay? Next person, let's see. Oh, I got an interesting person that just asked me a question. Thank you. Thank you. That was an excellent question. The person that just asked that question about the NDA. Excellent. You seem like you know a lot too. Hmm. Thank you for that question. The person know who I'm talking about. They asked a question about the NDA because I noticed it. Yeah. Thank you. Perfect. Perfect question on the NDA. All right. So next question. I can't give that person's name because they have their name secret, so I can't give that person's name. But great question. You know who you are that asked about the NDA. Perfect question. No, Shirley, this questions is not for me. It's for the attorney. You got to email me and I send it straight over to him. So what he's doing, right? Tomorrow he's going to present the whole steps of the whole process. He's going to give you different avenues and things like that, right? So your questions, since he when he's presenting, he's going to take keep in mind some of your questions. So he'll answer some things that you already have and questions about as it pertains into the process. He's going to go through the whole process. This is not um, He's not giving legal advice or anything. He's just going to give you guys an understanding how the process work, what the process is all about, and how this is for us layman people to understand because a lot of us don't understand the process. Even how they came about, even the verdict, and even like there's certain things that need to be done after the closing arguments and stuff like that. Because he was telling me some stuff, but I can't relate it to you because I don't know how to relay it to you in a good way. Good morning, co-host Terry, Solstice Saint speaking 55. Good morning, Mr. 444. I got to speak to my co-hosts. They both will be on the panel tomorrow with the attorney. So, but the attorney is going to be the main one. But Mr. 444, let him do the presentation first before you start bombarding him with the questions, okay? So we're going to have that format tomorrow. He does have a presentation. He's pretty good at it. He's very, very good at it. And he's licensed to practice in, I think, 8 states, if I'm not mistaken. Good morning, Carmen. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Um, there's a lot of things going on. And oh, yeah, I need to give you guys where the number is now. We're almost at 300. We're at 223 right now. 223. So someone is going to win $100. But keep on the channel so you'll know the question. Congratulations, you digging me. You digging me killing it with the money here. You digging me killing it. You digging me she's a workaholic, y'all. Um, but you have a criminal defense back. All right, I'm gonna give you a hint. Should I give you a hint who's gonna be? Should I give you a hint? He's the attorney that did my 444 I mean 330. That's the attorney. I just gave you a hint. People say I can't hold water. I can hold water. He just because he wants his name out so he can get some because he doesn't have a lot of followers. So I'm gonna not be selfish. I am gonna because at first I was listening to other people. It's like, oh Sylvia, don't put the name out, but he wants his name out, Latrice. I know we said behind the scene, but if he's giving us information and he's not charging us and things like that, if he would like his name out, I think it's best that we, give him that benefit of the doubt. Benefit. So the attorney is the attorney. I'm not gonna give you the no, I have to give you. I have to put it into the channel because he does want his name out. I know. Yeah, I am gonna put his name out. But remember the attorney that was on, because a lot of people was like, oh, Sylvia, don't give a name out. And I didn't feel like giving out the name either, because I didn't want folks, how they try to take things from you and take credits and stuff like that. Um so I I'm gonna give the person the credit that really got the video out there originally was Mr. 444 Smiles. He is the one who actually went and dug on Sunday and got the information about the different motions and the procedures and things like that. So he is the one who actually got it. So after he put it out, I got the video that he sent me and I played it, and then lo and behold, um shout out to Malicious Conspiracy too. That he turned around and he had the same guy. I was like, wow, the same person is the same one that we got. So shout out to Mr. 444 Smile and Mr. Conspiracy, Malicious Conspiracy. So shout out to the two of them, because like wonderful minds work alike or something like that. They said, what was it? What is that saying? I be screwing up stuff. Ah, um, yeah, there was a warrant for to go into the storage. Yes, there was a warrant. Yeah, but shout out to Mr. Smart 444. When I tell you that dude be great mind thinks alike. Thank you, C. Great minds think alike. But Mr. 444, he's the one who actually found the attorney. And the funny thing is, when he sent me the video, I started going to work trying to find out how I contact him. And he was doing the same thing. We both was doing the same thing, but I got to him first. I got to him first. So I was more diligent and more persuasive, because I was emailing, I was texting, I went into his little um, uh, channel, like his channel, and I was chatting and all that. I did all that. And then I finally got a phone call from him. I called him, and the ladies was on the line listening with me. So shout out to Mr. 444. We did it. Teamwork makes the dream work. So he will be on tomorrow. And I will give you his name. No, I'm going to go ahead and give you his name. His name is Patrick. He's the senior partner. I'm not going to give you his last name. Give you his first name, Patrick. He is a senior partner. Yeah, so teamwork makes the dream work. So you guys did see Malicious Conspiracy. If you guys go back to look at Mr. Malicious Conspiracy, it's two of them. Two of them, one with a beard and the other guy. He had no facial hair, but I think he has facial hair now, because him and I have been talking back and forth and sending these correspondence to each other. He sees different articles and the prosecutional misconduct, the one that Malicious Conspiracy did. So shout out to Malicious Conspiracy, because he found something else that we were working on, the 330 motion. Malicious Conspiracy was showing about the prosecutional misconduct. So it's a lot of information. So he will be on tomorrow, guys. So he will be on. He has given us his time. He's been reviewing the transcript. I sent him the actual indictment. I sent him everything. So he will be bringing it on for us. So I'm excited. I was so excited when he sent me the email and he said yes. I was like screaming. I was like, he said yes, like I was getting married or something. I was like, he said yes, because it was exciting to see somebody who's giving so much good information. And of course, you know me, I dug in, saw some of the stuff he did. And then I found out he is actually the guy who I mean, it's so much he has done. But I did see in North Carolina that I don't know the reason behind. Oh, hold on, y'all. Should I share this? The person that just sent me the email in regarding to. Okay, okay, guys, yes, y'all giving me some good question. Y'all giving me some good question. I'm gonna send it to him right. Y'all sending me some real good questions. Excellent question, Sydney. Good question. Thank you, Sydney. Perfect. Perfect questions. You guys are killing it. Okay, let's take these numbers away. Sydney, I got your question. I can delete your thing now. I got your question. Okay, I got that person's question. Karen, I got your question. Audrey, I got your question. Audrey, good question. Good question. Let's see. Some of you guys are repeating some questions now. All right, we got Audrey, you got your question. I'm gonna delete yours right now because I have a delete. Okay, Love Bug, I got your question again. I just got yours again. Hold on, okay. Let's see. You got your question. All right, we got that one question. We got that. All right. All right, Love Bug, I got you. Veronica, I got you. Got your question. All righty. That's perfect. I like that one. Y'all even got the snitching question in here. Perfect. All right. All right, I got your question, Veronica. Anybody else? I don't have any more questions. I see you guys still putting it in the chat, but you're not putting it in the email. Sylvia, that's email question were additional to the one. Yeah, okay, I added yours in there. Any question you guys are putting, I'm sending it out to the attorney. So whatever question you guys have. Yes, I have yours, Veronica. I just put yours in. I don't have anybody else's. I got Veronica, I got Love Bug, I have Michael's. I have the ones that you guys, the ones from yesterday, the ones from today. Valerie, I don't have any question for you. Adrian, I have your question. Let's see. Guys, okay. He is going to explain to you guys the process. There is something that he can do before the sentencing. There's something he can do in between the time. He's going to explain all of that. Her you. I didn't get an email from you. I didn't get an email from you. Veronica, I have yours. I put yours in the list already. I just gave you all the emails that I just had. I don't have anybody else. If you want your questions to be considered with the attorney, please send it to me. I'm sending it over. Questions that needs to be that you would like an answer, please send it to my email. I will copy and paste it and send it to the attorney. If you put in questions only in here and they're not in the email, I will not send it off. I can't copy and paste it from the from StreamYard. So I don't know how much I need to explain that to you guys. If you want your question, now if you don't want your question to be considered by the attorney, then continue writing it here on the chat. But if you do want it to be considered, please send it to my email. I will copy and paste it exactly the way your question have the question, and then I'll send it off. Valerie Diggs, the defendant has the first filed a motion for a new trial, raising issues believed not exactly. Daniel got it. Daniel's got it. Thank you, Daniel, for clarifying that, because you know me, I don't know all this extra stuff. But Daniel, that's what I believe the attorney told me. There are certain things, and then because I was told that based on what Robert's attorney has already done and put it into the cases, everything has to be reviewed from the transcripts. That's why the transcript is so freaking important. The transcript, the motions, and all that has to be reviewed by the judge. When will I stop accepting question? I will stop accepting question at 4 Eastern Standard Time. Oh, 5, sorry. Thank you, you digging me. 5 Eastern Standard Time today to you. 5 o'clock, I'll stop accepting question. So you can continue to send your question. I have them. What I probably should have did is just send you a response back, say got it, and added. So you know I already did yours. But anybody who has sent me the question already, I already added yours in. So don't worry about it. I added all you guys. Maybe my question went to spam. No, I didn't get your question, stats, Anthony. I didn't get your question. I got somebody. Oh, that's a good question. Someone just asked if Robert's appeal is granted, should Rob testify? That's a very good question. That is a very good question. Oh, I like that one. That is a very good one. Good question. Pretty Pink, I got your question. Awesome. Thank you, Pretty Pink. I got you. Pretty Pink, I got your questions. Ah! Control V. Okay, I got that. Pretty Pink, I got yours. All right, got that question. All right. So I'm going to reply to you, Pretty Pink, because you're the first person I'm replying to right now. All right, I'll reply to you. Now I'm going to delete your message. Veronica, you got another one? Okay. Okay. Good job, Veronica. Got it. All right, next one. Oh, that's a good one too. The mother drives daughter 8 hours. That's a good one. Good one. That's a good one. You guys are coming up with some good stuff here. This is some good stuff. Good stuff. I'm not putting your questions out there because, we got trolls. This is a good one. This is a very good question. Awesome. All right, I'm going to reply. I'm going to reply to you. I got yours, so you know I have yours. Okay. All right. All right. Shirley, I got your question. Shirley, you got your question. Go ahead. Good one. Good one. Good one. Good one. Good one. Good one. Y'all gonna keep this man up there forever with these questions y'all got. All right, here we go. Got those questions. All right, Shirley, I got your question. Okay, I'm gonna put the link in. So let me put the link in. Okay, I'm gonna put the link in for those who wants to come in because what I'm doing now, I'm just getting these questions and sending it to the attorney. So those who wants to come in. Y'all doing it. All right, I just put the link in. What would be the strategy if it was his case? Cornelius, you know what I just said about the questions. You know what I just said about the question. How you gonna ask them? Who should I ask? All right. Come on, y'all. Let's get the like buttons up. Do I need to bring Terry on so you get the like buttons up, guys? Um, Somebody come on in. I just read the text. Uh, I just read the text. 444. Okay, some of you guys, the question you're asking, this was questions during the trial, and I don't think he has any information about that. Oh, do you want me to call him? Okay, I got somebody who's gonna come on and answer some questions, you guys. Another attorney. Wow, these people are no joke, man. They're watching this channel. They're watching this channel. Oh my God. Okay, hold on, hold on. Someone wants to answer some question in regards to the HIPAA laws. This is an attorney. Hold on a second. Yeah, he's an attorney. Okay. So I'm going to call him right now so you guys can get a chance to hear what he has to say. This is another attorney. Look at God. Look at God. Look at God. This attorney, he's huge on the HIPAA law. So, okay. Do you guys, let me, I spoke on it yesterday. That guy, Young Pharaoh, said 3:30 where he can release and convict. Okay. All right. Natalie says, I spoke on it yesterday that the guy, Young Pharaoh, said of 3:30 where he can be released after being convicted. Get in touch with the YouTube AT10 Nation. What's that? David or testify he was not signed on that marriage certificate and it was forged and this is invalid theories of the marriage. It's a lot of stuff, y'all. Oof. It's a lot of stuff. Okay. All right. Let me do one thing at a time. Let me get these. You know what? I'm gonna stop doing a question. Go ahead. Y'all can still send a question, but I'm gonna go ahead and make this phone call for this attorney in regard to the HIPAA law. Hold on a second. Somebody's at my door. Hold on a second, y'all. Hold on. Hold on. Just hold on. I'm going to play some Peter for you guys while I go figure out what the heck is going on here. Hold on. Just bear with me a minute. Hold on. Just figure out what's going on. Just bear with me a second. We'll play this video because I need to know who's at my door. All right, here we go.
This is the message from Peter to Robert, from Nigeria to America, yeah. I'm calling on for. Stay in the faith that your mama left you in with Christ. I'm calling on for. My brother, even though you were thinking you were losing it all, I'm calling on for. You might not even know that your Father in heaven is here. I'm calling on for. Remember, when you take a look around your life, you saw how he took you from that utter cry. On your knees, you seen you full of blood. How he showered down on you with God. How he healed you of cancer. How he blessed your family with kids. How he made your mountain pick apart. This is the message from Peter to Robert, from Nigeria to America, yeah. I'm calling on for. Stay in the faith that your mama left you in with Christ. I'm calling on for. My brother, even though you were thinking you were losing it all, I'm calling on for. You might not even know that your Father in heaven is here. I'm calling on for. Remember last year when you never knew Him all your life. You only go to church on Easter Day. Even though He took your mom, you know. You were not the only one out there. Many died, but you live today. Touch the lives of all the stars and times. Wrote them songs, producing for them. Giving life to helpless children. Helping you to lift up Africa. This is the message from Peter to Robert. From Nigeria to America, yeah. I'm going on for. Stay in the faith that your mama left you in with Christ. I'm going on for. My brother, even though you were thinking you were losing it all, I'm going on for. You might not even know that your Father in heaven is here. I'm going on for. Remember, if you see them in their darkness, do not fret yourself to look at them. Even if they appear the reachers, you are greater than they are, you know. Even if they offer you money, even if they offer you that fame, even if they offer you position, even if they offer you the greatest deal, they may not give you Grammy, but you know your friends believe in you. You don't need no bad society. You're strong because it's there for you. Jesus Christ is watching you every day, and I think he's proud of you right now. This is the message from Peter to Robert, from Nigeria to America, yeah. Stay in the faith that your mama left you in with Christ. My brother, even though you were thinking you were losing it all, you might not even know that your Father in heaven is here. Don't you giving, don't you giving, don't you giving, don't you giving to them now. I believe you can fly. The storm is over. Don't you giving, don't you giving, don't you giving to them now. The Father has it all. He loves you. Stay in. I'm going on for. Remember.
Thank you guys. Sorry about that. That was my daughter's friend that was knocking. I was like, okay, who is knocking on my door? Hey, okay, I have Dennis. There's something going wrong with the device. It's not it says not connected. Shh. Okay, Dennis, you're I see you trying to come in, but it says the device not connected. You may have to come out and come back in. Hey Shay. Dennis, you probably have to go back out and come back in because it's still showing that you're not Gucci. You got some good questions. Gucci got some questions in here. Leslie got your question. AM, I got your question. Skin tight, I have your question. Lashonda, I have your question. Michael, I have your question again. I have Karen Harris, I have your question. Sydney, I got your question again. Lovebug, I got your question again. Mary, I got your question. Leslie, I got your question. Riddle, Riddle, got your question. Destin, I got your question. Okay, I got those questions. Miss Lewis, I got your question. Got your question. All right, I got you guys' question. Your question will be added on to his thing. So I have your question. I just want to confirm to you guys I got your questions. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have an interview with an attorney that knows the law as far as the HIPAA. I'm waiting for the call to come in. He knows medical rights. I'm going to be patched in with him to ask these questions. So you guys, if you guys want to ask him question, I can relate your question. Those questions you can come put it in here, but let's wait till he gets on. Then you guys could ask those questions. But the other attorneys for tomorrow, okay? Sounds good. All right. So I'm just gonna wait for him because I'm waiting for him because Mr. 444 is gonna do a patch in with him and I. So if not, I'll probably just give him a call myself. I have the number. I don't see stat. Dennis, did you see Kim Fox conference 2 days ago? No, I did not see that one, Dennis. Shirley, I got your question. I got your question, Shirley. You guys, I got your question. I'm just gonna send them to him, and it's gonna be up to him on how he wants to address those questions. Okay. All right, guys, we got these questions. Let's see. Hold on a second. I'm trying to see how this gonna work. Hold on a second, guys. Let me call him and see if he is going to do it now or should I wait? Just a second. Good people. Hold on. Hold on. Hey, I'm live right now. I just want to make sure you don't say nothing that's outrageous. But are you gonna when are you gonna get the attorney? Are we gonna do it, or do you want me to call him, or what?
No, he's gonna call me. I just spoke to his secretary. She just asked me for my email. I told them all about you. They want to look at your channel. And I said, well, yeah, he did, because I looked at his YouTube channel and everything, and I like what he's talking about the malpractice and how he broke down the hip up and everything like that.
Mhm.
So she says she's calling him right now, and she's gonna call me back in about 20 minutes, and I'm gonna patch you in.
Okay. Okay.
And
So is he aware? Is he aware that I'm live?
But I sent you her number if you want to say that Mr. McNeil just called you. She understands, so I wish you I'll call back and give you her email and say your colleague or my promoter or say one of your people that you got, one of your moderators just called and just to give them your information as well. She'll pick up.
So you haven't actually talked to him?
No, I spoke to the secretary.
Okay. So she said he's willing to do an interview. Do you know he's going to be on live?
It sounds like it. She said because he got a YouTube channel and that's what.
Oh, okay. Okay.
He got 9,064K subscribers.
Okay.
So now and then he put out videos, so he'll be able to want to come on the channel and be able to explain to you and everything. And I explained to her that to be able to give his expertise on the channel, that broad sense arises so people understand what the HIPAA laws is and being able to give knowledge. And
Okay.
she says, okay. She took my email. She asked me your channel. And I said, yes, Miss Sylvia can call you, and I'm going to give you the number so you can call her now. You tell her who you are and give her your email.
Okay, but I just want them to know that I'm live, and I don't want it to be a surprise to them.
All right, I'll wait till she calls.
Okay, just let him know that if he does agree that I am live, because I don't want.
That's what I wanted to let him know. That's why
Okay.
I said she want to do it if he agreed. That's why she took my phone number. She said she's going to have him call me back in 20 to 30 minutes.
Okay. All right.
All right.
All right. All right, guys. So you see, Mr. 444, he's working. He is working. I got some great people surrounding. Some awesome people. Awesome, awesome, awesome folks. Oh, I want to give a shout out to Eduardo. He did make some changes to the to the to the He made some wonderful changes to the logo. I just want to show you guys what it looked like so far again. He made some changes. Hold on, let's take a look. So you guys are part of the decision process for me. So here's the logo. How's that one? Do you guys like this one? What do you think about that one? I'm gonna make it bigger so you guys can see. What do you think about that logo? What's your opinion of this logo? I like it, but I just don't like the blue, the little. But it is a diamond, isn't it? It's a diamond. Hmm. It's a diamond. The top of the eye is a diamond. That says a lot. You love it? Fifi says she love it because you guys gotta be part of my decision process. You love that one? Okay. I like the. Yeah, I like that one too. Yeah, I like that one. I didn't realize it was a diamond at the top. Yeah, it is a diamond. Yeah. Okay, diamond in the rough. You say it's too plain? I don't think it's too plain. I'm gonna show you the one that was plain. Hold on, let me show you the one that was plain. Hold on, let's stop that one. Let me stop sharing this one. Now this one was plain. Look at this one. Hold on, this one. Watch. This is the one that was plain. Look at that one. Now that's plain. Look at that one. That one's plain. Yeah, this one is the one that's plain. Now the other one, you see that one's plain. Right, Harris? That one here is plain. Okay, the other one, let's stop this one. Hold on a second. You guys got to make a decision with me. So now that one, let's see the next one. Look at this one. This is not, this is not it. This is not hitting on anything. This one right here, bleh. Mm-mm. Mm, nah. That one, nah. Nah. Samantha, purple is my favorite color, so anything that it is, yeah, that one's nah. Yep, I agree too. Nah. Here's another one. Hold on a second. Here's another one. Let's stop sharing that one. Let's do this one. Shout out to Eduardo. Eduardo. He is a graphic designer. Gotta give him a shout out. Hold on. Eduardo is a web and graphic designer, social media manager, digital marketing is who he is. Gotta give him a shout out because he is blessing this channel. He offered his services to us. So shout out to Eduardo Duran. He is the web and graphic designer, social media manager, and digital marketer. All right, shout out to Eduardo Duran. So give him a shout out. Good for a talk show, you think so, Jay Lewis? Purple is my. I mean, when I tell you I love purple, everything of mine is purple. My phones, my iPad, everything is purple. Everything is purple. All my cups in my house are like the ones that's personally for me. That's my color. Everybody, anything that anybody buy me, like my family member, they know purple is the thing. I don't care what kind of purple it is. It could be lilac, as long as it has some sort of purple. You see in my page here, everything got to be some sort of purple. That's just my color. Um, guys, the question to Canic, I can ask the people that's in contact with him, but I don't bother Art Kelly's attorneys. I stay away from harassing them and asking them questions. If you ever notice, you don't ever see me with anything having to do with them. The only thing I did that time was when I sent funds to Nicole. Other than that, ever since the whole Doug thing, I don't bother the attorney. So anytime somebody tell you that Sylvia's been in contact with the attorney, that's a lie. I go through to the middlemen, middle people. I don't go directly to the attorney. So I did have purple hair. Shirley, I did have purple hair. You missed that one. I had purple hair before. I had purple hair. Yes, I did. I did have purple hair. And guys, we will continue to doing the transcript. We're going to read them all the way to the end because there's some important information on those transcripts. And because you got, if you see the process in what I put in the chat, I'm going to put up this picture so you can see something. Hold on a second. Hey, Black Nixon. Hey, how you doing today? Thank you, darling. Glad to see you. But you know what? Ooh, y'all, I'm telling you, this head of mine is itching. Tomorrow, you probably will not see these things in my head because my head itches so bad and I can't do this itching stuff. Oh my God, I can't do this itching stuff. Good morning, Mr. 313. Are you coming in this morning? This is just like answer question type of thing. I'm still waiting for that attorney to call back to Mr. 444 Smile. Oh my God, I'm telling you, I cannot do this braid stuff. I do not like my head to itch. Oh my God, I gotta take this thing out my head. Oh, whew. Father, Father, Father. So, Miss Sylvia, do you know how Rob is doing? From what I've heard, he's doing wonderful. From what I heard, what I can do is I can send texts out and I can verify that for you guys. I can do that right now for you. Oh, my head itches so bad. Oh my God, my head itches so bad. Okay, I'm gonna good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, my head is itching so bad. Oh my God.
What you got
Sugar
fungus
cubes,
in your head? What you
peppermint oil.
doing over
Hmm?
there? What's going on with you?
You in a bad area. You breaking up.
No, I said, why is your hair itching?
Because they had my head too tight. She had my head too tight, and I think it's like loosening up.
So is that why when girls always get hair and braids done, they be like slapping the top of their head?
Yeah, because a lot of it, because sometimes they might be allergic to the hair. Um,
I
so
thought that was human hair that they get.
there ain't that much human hair in the world for those people to get that stuff.
I'm being serious. I
It's
ain't
that
even trying to
fake
be funny.
process.
I always thought when we was calling girls like weave and stuff horsehair, I always thought it was just being funny. I didn't know it was like literally. horsehair.
Mm-mm, it's not. It's not horsehair. It's something that's a way of processing the hair. Some sort of material. I
Synthetic.
don't know. No, not all of it's synthetic. Now they have one that says
So are you
it's
telling
they
me
have
that that Brazilian hair is not real Brazilian girl hair?
some hair is real. Some hair is real, but they're very expensive. Are the ones that are real. But the ones that they say it's like $50, $60 and say that there's real human hair. Half of that's not real human hair. You might have horse, might be horse. You might be right on that horse thing. But I was told
Look
it's
at
the
you digging
process and
in.
how to.
She's promoting. Was she selling guys on your platform?
I hope she's not, cause I'm not trying to get in trouble for the mess. Hey, you digging me? Stop selling men on my channel. Don't try to get me no. Oh, thank you, Sydney. Okay, okay. Sydney's gonna be one of my main men now. Sydney. Uh-oh. You're gonna be part of my men up here. I got Mr. 313. I got Mr. Smiles. I might have to sell you off too to the ladies, because ladies. Let me stop this. Look, she gonna sell you off next.
Nah, I'm not for the free. You feeling me?
Okay, we're just joking in here. Please do not take this serious, okay? All 152 people that know some of you guys are the feds. We're joking. This is entertainment purposes only. We're joking. Don't try to get me with no Rico. It's a joke.
It's comedy.
V1 bug is sparks1565 at gmail.com. Let me put it up. Sorry. Let me put it up. A banner. There we go. Right there.
You
Sparks1565 at gmail.com.
you digging me starting stuff, man.
I'm not selling. 313 still hating. He said she's not selling me. It's a virtual date contest. Okay, it's a virtual date
No, I
contest.
know, but she said I was up next. I said I ain't free.
Oh, so you want her to sell you. So we're not doing the show
Nah, I
selling
ain't
stuff.
y'all, man. See how stuff it started.
Natalie, I got your question. Hmm.
All right, we need to
Oh,
put
yeah.
her on timeout, Sylvia.
Who? You digging me?
I ain't saying no names, but
Lisa Marie said your voice is so light. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
man, I wish I was on your other channel right now, Sylvia. Man, this is
No,
gonna
you
be
cannot get
quiet.
on of it. No, 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 we can't do that. Hey, Gucci, go the other one. There go the other ma'am, y'all. I mean, the other man.
Hey, how you doing? How you doing?
Man, get in the chat, Gucci. Look at what they doing to me, and I can't defend myself on this channel.
Oh, hey, hey, man, leave the ladies alone. What's up, y'all? Yes, Sylvia, that was a question
You're
last night.
making noise. Fix
Hold
that
on,
speaker thing.
I'm in the car. Let me get you off the Bluetooth. That's what that is. Hold on. I hate Bluetooth. Okay, you can hear me better now, right?
Much better, yes.
Yeah, I don't know why. I gotta let them reset this Bluetooth. It got that whole cracking sound in the background.
Hmm.
Yeah, but the question that I sent you, um, last night, I was with some people and they asked me that one question. They're like, we listened to her channel. It was some paralegal people in Memphis, and they're like,
Hmm.
I just don't understand how the judge in that case
did not say something to the U.S. Marshal or investigator to investigate the parents because the girl said, my mom's told me to tell him that I was 18.
Mhm.
So that means they were setting him up from the get go,
Mhm.
you know?
Mhm.
And
Yeah.
so
You're
that's why
breaking
I
up.
had to ask that question.
You broke
Oh, okay.
up for a minute,
You
for a
know, I'm
second.
okay. I was saying some people that some paralegal friend that play softball, they watch your channel and they was asking that question when you first start
Mhm.
did the first part of the trial, and that's a
Mhm.
question they said they want to know. How come the judge? You can hear me, right?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. How come the judge did not um instruct Homeland Security to investigate because they said they had a case here in Memphis that their law firm did and they're paralegal, and the judge told the US Marshal she would like for them to investigate something because one of the witnesses said something and it was never known in the indictment. And that's what I was figuring. Say, how come Undonally did not say to the Homeland Security, okay, since her parents tell her to lie to Robert that she was 18 and that 17, something need to be done. And that something really need to be done. That's another issue we need to be pushing because she said it out her own mouth. My parents told me to lie, said I was 18. You know, the more now you sit back and the more you go over a lot of this stuff, it's like you're sitting there going, oh my God, how can these jury be this blind? So that's all I was saying. I'm actually taking myself to the gym. I can't believe it. So So yeah. But that's what and I heard you talking about the question people. I can't wait to hear those questions tomorrow because I know it's gonna be some good questions. You there? Everybody left me?
I'm here.
Oh, I was gonna say, oh no, no, I'm sweating. Yeah, so
I'm so here. I'm here. I'm
yeah,
sorry.
I can't wait till tomorrow because I know you got some great questions. I know you do.
Yeah, these people
I know
have
you do.
submitted some good questions. Good
Good,
questions.
good people. Let's continue to do it. But I'm telling you, Sylvia, now that we got time to sit and go over a lot of stuff, a lot of this stuff don't make no sense. A lot of it don't, but that's what we want to know, because it's a lot of stuff don't make no sense. So that's a something I'm gonna send to somebody for them to even look into. Cause that's crazy. How is everybody doing today? Hello, ladies. Hey, Mr. 313.
What
Yeah,
up?
you must be working.
Yeah, you know it.
Yeah, that's the life of a working man. I just finished do some work. I'm on my way to the gym. Try to get me, in shape so I can be
So
ready for Thanksgiving. I'm
you
I am passing. I'm in a bad area, Sylvia, with a lot of trees, so you gotta excuse me. I'm in that area.
know how like when
Nah, he got a problem with his phone, not you.
what? Because I'm in a
Oh
big
God.
concrete building.
Yeah, but you don't want the problem with the phone.
Yeah, so I'm glad to see everybody is on it, getting their questions in. And tomorrow, I can't wait. I'm actually going to drink some tea tomorrow while I'm listening. And Sylvia,
Hmm?
did you see that stuff I sent to you about that lady in DC that took the shot and the COVID shot killed her?
Oh, wow.
Oh, yes. And her family put it all in their obituary that that's what killed her because the doctor they said it. I put it in our group chat. Look it, and you probably can it's a video where the doctor was talking anyway, so you probably can play it for people. But it's a lady in DC. She was 34 years old, and because of the mandate where they're telling people you got to take this, she didn't want to do it, and she went and took this shot, and it killed her. The Johnson shot. So that's why I told people, if you're in good shape, if you're in physical good great health, it's not a must that you took this. 99% of the people that are dying from COVID got some kind of medical condition, and I don't think it's a government should be forcing you like you're living in a community, a communist country to take something you don't want to take. That's crazy. Just because they want Johnson to make money and Pfizer to make money, because that's the only people benefiting. Because I don't understand what's the sense of you taking something and you still can catch it. I don't understand that. So everybody, just be careful, wear your mask, and continue to protect yourself. If you take the shot, that's on you. Just make sure you're not feeling no kind of way. If you don't take the shot, take a lot of vitamin C, D, zinc, and all and fiber. All right, and drink a lot of hot tea.
You hear that, ladies? Get your vitamin D.
You know
This
what? You
man,
know what I think would be a good question. Okay, I'm gonna go past
yeah, right,
this vaccine crap. Um,
yeah.
because we're gonna stick to the topic, Gucci. Stop bringing the vaccine. We're not
I
talking
was
about
just putting that
vaccine.
out there for people to be aware. That's all.
Yeah, but I mean, I want us to stay focused, y'all. Focus.
Hey,
Okay.
we are multitask over this
No,
here.
no.
Listen, okay,
My title. What is my
okay.
title? I'm gonna stop muting you now. I'm gonna
Your
start
title
muting.
is
I'm gonna
your
mute
title
Gucci.
is
It's gonna be a
your title is
hashtag mute Gucci.
Gucci, they trying
your
to mute
title
us
is
all,
you are
man. They trying
blonde.
to mute us
Hey,
all.
hey, Mr. 3 and 3. Listen to her title. I'm a blonde. I only can do one thing at a time.
That's not my title. Okay, now
All right,
let's get back
go
to
ahead.
the topic. The
Okay,
topic
go back.
is um one of the things when I was talking to someone this morning in regarding to Robert, the instruction verdict sheet that the prosecutors put out. The 14 counts, each count had a number between 1 to 4 or 1 to 5 um, acts behind it, right? So meaning like, okay, say the bribery had like one act behind, which I mean, the racketeer had that one act, which is bribery. Okay, then you had the other one, the man act. It had like four different acts, right? So those jurors was thinking, hey, all of them can't be wrong, meaning that they're going to pick, even if they pick two out of the five, they still would mark it as guilty because they got two um, proven on there. So it's like, the multiple choice questions, like if you got this, A, B, it's all wrong, even if you have one right, or if you have two right, you're all wrong, or something like that. So that's the way they had to pick it. So it was very, very confusing, even though the judge gave a direction. If you feel something is inconsistent and it should be marked not guilty, they didn't see it that way because it was another instruction that she gave stating that if two out of the five is in there, it must be guilty. You guys understand what I'm saying by that?
Right, right. Yeah, I know what you're saying. A lot of people may not.
So that's what happened. I'm gonna bring it up with you guys. Hold on, I'm gonna bring it up so you guys can see exactly what I'm
Basically, they're
talking about.
saying if you feel 2 out of 5, might as well you just say all of them are.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I heard that instruction before when I went to a court trial on somebody years ago, and that was one of the things. And they actually got that back in appeal because you can't tell nobody that crap. If you feel 2 out of 5, might as well they all are. Nah, you know.
Yeah.
One thing we can do. We're not going to stop. We can continue because we're sure God will reverse this appeal. I hope they vacate it and don't send it back to court. I hope they just go ahead and vacate the sentence and the verdict right there. I hope.
Okay, hold on a second. Let me just show you. I'm going to share this with you guys so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. All right, here's the verdict sheet, right? I'm going to make it larger. Can you guys see this? Can you guys?
Yes, got
Let
glasses
me,
on.
let me move you out the way. Let me take this band out the way. Hold on. Let me take this out the way. I'll put it up in a minute, but I just want to show you guys this first. Okay, let's take that out the way. Now, now you're looking at this verdict sheet, right? Okay, with the racketeering, there was only one count, right? And the only thing in here was the bribery part, right? You see, it says here, how do you find the defendant? It says if you answer guilty as to one count, indicate whether or not the racketeering act were proven beyond reasonable doubt. If you answer not guilty, proceed to two, right? So they saying here that that one bribery, that was one act, and there was only one section to that, right? That's what the Leah and the Demetrius Smith. So now Act Two, you see how it has as the one count racketeering. You see how it has all these different acts. It had one act, had two acts, had three acts behind it, right? Had four act, had five act. This one only had one. You see how confusing that would be? See how many acts under that bribery? See 10 act, 12 act, 13, 14 act. Now this is count two. See, you see how many things that was underneath that one gag? You see that, right? Hold on, let me go back up. See, the title on this was Act One. You see, Act One. No, Count One. I'm sorry, Act One of a racketeering. You see, it's Act One. I keep saying Act. A Count One, right? Count One, which is the racketeering, and you see all these underlining acts. You have Act One, Act Two, Act Three, Act Four, Act Five, Act Six, Act Seven, Act Eight, Act Nine, Act 10, 11, I mean 12. Where's 11? Oh, 11, 12, 13, 14, right? That's for one, that first charge. Now, this is count two, right? You see how many actors on that one? That's only one act on this one, right? Then you have count three. You have one act under that. Count four. You have one act. Count five. You have one act. Count six. You have one act. Count seven, you have one act, right? Count eight, you have one act. Count nine, you have one act. But see, the racketeering one, because they really, really wanted to get him for racketeering, they have all of these acts under this one count of racketeering. You see? They had all of these things, that the bribery, the exploitation of a child, Stephanie, sexual exploitation of a child. You see all that? Now, this is very, very confusing because they really, really, really wanted to get a conviction on the racketeering. Now, you see how they did it? 313, now you understand what I'm talking about?
I see, but I thought there was no child involved, so why is it even mentioned?
No, because remember, supposedly she was 16, Stephanie, but supposedly, he didn't have any kind of relationship with her until she was grown. She went back to him afterwards. Because they met originally, then she went and met him at the Nike store, and then we got to read hers again, her testimony, and you guys will hear exactly. But you see how they did the racketeering, right? They put all of these act under the count one racketeering because they really, 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 really wanted to get him for the racketeering. So they put all of these things: bribery, sexual exploitation, kidnapping, the Mann Act. You see all of that
And
they put under him?
that's the one that alleged that she was raped.
No, that's Stephanie is that's Sonia. Sonia is the one that was alleged, but that one wasn't proven. But because it had all these other things that they claim was proven, automatically he gets charged. He got convicted of the racketeering because you had all these different acts underneath that racketeering. Get it? You
I
guys
just don't
understand
see
now what I'm talking about?
someone so busy like that even had time to do half of this stuff. They're crazy.
So you guys understand what I'm talking about. So should I repeat it again? Because I did send him the verdict sheet. I did send the attorney the verdict sheet too. So that's how they were able to get the racketeering. Because remember, here's the racketeering. It says, "Do you believe the defendant? Do you find the defendant guilty?" So this here is the actual one count. But then you had all these underlying. They had 14 underlining acts underneath it, and we can go
I got a
reading what
question
those
for you,
acts were.
Sylvia. Is the attorney allowed to speak on the case now that is somewhat
He is
over?
not. He is not part of the case, so he can talk on it. He's not part of the case. He's never been part of the case. He's giving you his opinion.
Oh, okay. I was
He is not part of the case at all. He's never been part of it. He's like an attorney, like you know how they give commentaries on the CNN of a
yeah.
case. The attorney gives you what they see, and they give you their perspective of this is what he is, just like that. He has nothing to do with the case at all. He's giving you his expertise.
And that's good that you just said that too for the messy ones to say, oh, they might say different.
No, his whatever he says has no bearings of what's happening on Robert's case at all. Nothing he said has any bearings on it. This is him giving his personal expertise and how he would handle the case, what he sees going on, what he sees mistake, what errors are in it. That's what he's doing. It's like a you're in school and the teacher's going to give you some sort of instruction, understanding why certain things happen. Okay. You get what I'm saying? He's not a judge. He's not. He doesn't have the same oath like a judge. A judge is supposed to be impartial and neutral, but he is a defense attorney, so he's going to give you decide from a defense attorney, from his experience of cases he has worked, cases he has done work on, not just done work, but he studied and things like that. Get it? 313.
I got it. So
But
this
I'm
is
glad you asked that question because then maybe some of the slow people in the back would understand that doesn't have anything to do with the case. Sylvia is not messing up any kind of cases.
yeah, that's why I asked, so it could get clarified for the slow people.
There's no possible way. How can you say me, Sylvia, is messing up the case with the attorneys? I mean, how is that a fact?
I can't even make that make sense. I
Please don't put guys, I gotta stop that. So you get what I'm saying? Because it's just people want to put this some nonsense out. And there are folks that believe it. Okay, I understand DJ's live, so I understand DJ's live, and there's nothing wrong with DJ being live. But what's the purpose of putting it in here?
right. You want to go over there, go over there.
Go over
Like
there.
they trying to leak.
There's no. I mean, I don't get it. Why do people do that?
I mean, I get it because they try to do it to get other people to be like, oh, let me go see what's going on over there, trying to like, you know, steal people that's over there. Like, go over there. We not begging nobody to be over here. But this is Sylvia's channel.
I'm sitting here trying to show people information. You just gonna just throw out who's live? That's disrespectful. And there's
Yeah,
nothing going on between DJ and I at all. Don't even think that. But my thing is, I'm trying to give y'all information. You just pop up and put in DJ's live. What's the purpose of that?
to steal the people to go over there. That's the only
I
purpose.
don't get it. I don't get it. Oh, okay. Here's we go. But as I was saying to you, 313, there's nothing that I can do to persuade the attorneys or anything like that. I don't get in contact with them. So what I'm doing is giving commentary like anybody else. I'm going to give you information. I'm going to give you different opinions and views and experience and stuff like that. So that's what I'm doing. Rico, I really don't know that information. What I can do, we can ask the attorney because I can't give you law stuff like that. I can't give you information on stuff like that because I don't know. I don't know. All I can do is research and provide information to you to help. And then you guys could take whatever it is, chew the meat, spit out the bone. And I'm just trying to provide information for you guys. So it's called education and being having some education and knowledge will help you because they said knowledge is power. So you never know what situation your family member might get into, and then that's what happens, that type of thing. So, and that's what I'm giving to you guys. And it's not no freaking competition. I don't understand people, it gets really nonsense around here. Oh, you're welcome, Rico. You're welcome. You're absolutely welcome on that. That's all I can do is bring you guys up because I am not an expert. I am not an expert at anybody's like I'm not an expert at law at all. So that's why I will bring the experts to you. I bring the Judge Joe Brown. I'll bring you the Gloria Rodriguez. I'll bring you the Joels. I'll bring you all the ones who are experts because they have experience in that field. And the reason why I'm bringing you an appeals lawyer is because this is a situation that's going to come about for Robert. We don't know what stage that the attorneys are going to take, but here's so you guys could be educated and understand the process of what could happen, what steps that the attorney can take and things like that. And some he can open up some eyes for you guys. I should have a disclaimer. What disclaimer? I have a disclaimer that I'm not an attorney. I said that from day one. You guys know I'm not an attorney. I don't give no legal advice on anything. I can't give legal advice. I know nothing.
Oh, Sylvia, they make it to where you can't even just give an opinion nowadays.
I'm gonna give my opinion now.
No, I know what I'm saying, but you give your opinion, next thing you know, oh, well, she said she was a attorney for 10 years. That's what's going to happen.
Okay, I just got some information of you guys from about Robert. I just got the text. You guys, here's what I said. I said subscribers are asking, how is Robert doing? I just got a message. He is doing fine. He is writing music and he said he has a lot of ideas in his head that he's trying to get out. And his attorneys visit him every day, so they say he's doing fine. God got him. I got it? You want me to read it back to you guys again? You guys want me to read it back? You guys want me to read it back to you guys? All right, here's the question to the person that I asked. Person is very, 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 very close to Mr. Kelly. In fact, when I say very, 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 very close, known him for over 4 decades, almost 5 decades, they know him.
I
And they
know
said,
who it is, Sylvia. I know
you don't know
who
who
it
the
is.
heck it is. And I don't
I
know who
know
it is.
it. I do.
You don't know who it is. Nobody knows who it is. Okay, here's it says here. I said, hi. Subscribers are asking how is Rob doing? And the person sent me a message back says he is doing fine. He is writing music. He said, now this is from him. He said that he has a lot of ideas in his head and that he is trying to get it out. And his attorney visit him every day. So they say he is doing fine. God got him. Okay? Y'all didn't hear me say Sylvia talked to Robert. You didn't hear that because people would say, "Oh, she act like she talked to Robert." No, I did not say that. You was okay, but that is the
What you
message.
laughing at, Sylvia? You seeing my message?
Yeah, I saw your message. I'm just laughing at you. You so silly. Now I can't let nobody inside the chat now, right? Because they can see your message. You can't delete it.
I act slow, but I'm not.
You're so silly. You are so messy. You know that, right?
Who, me? Are you talking to
Yeah,
the chat? Oh,
I'm talking to you.
you knew I was when you let me on the panel. But at
You're
least
very messy.
I behave myself.
Oh, this guy is too much.
Only person can throw me off
313
the
is too
stage.
much, man. He is too much. Randa, get him. Randa, get him.
Don't do that because you know she in the bushes somewhere.
Randa, get him. Please get him. Now you got me. I can't bring nobody on the panel. Oh, you such a messy man.
No, it do delete after a while though.
It does not get deleted.
It does after so long. It does
No, it
actually.
does not get deleted. Does not get
I
deleted. I'm
promise.
telling you. I'm telling you, don't get deleted.
If I go out and come back in, it does.
All right, go out and come back in. Sorry, guys. I got to get him to go out. He's so messy. Oh my God, this dude is messy. Let me see if the message is in here. Nope, it's still in here. It's still in here. He just lied to me. Randa, progress is saying hello to you. See, you lied. It's still in here. Unmute yourself, liar.
No, I promise you, it will delete.
It's still in here.
Because I don't know if it's after so many messages in there it deletes or what. I'm gonna get it to delete.
Randa, everybody's saying hey to you even though they can't see you.
That's because she's in the bushes.
You know what? You getting on my nerve. It's not deleting. The only way it's gonna delete when I go out and the live is over with. That's the only way it's gonna be deleted.
No, watch. I'm telling you because I remember when we was on the panel on Randas and they needed a number and it deleted. I guess after so many messages, it'll delete or look. Just I'm about to. It's because I'm about to go out and put the link in the chat for me because
For
I
what
keep
link? Okay.
so because I keep refreshing the same like link.
Okay. All right. Let me go and Yeah, it's raining over here again. It rained every day this week so far. Thank you, Ridley. That is not R. Kelly's cousin. Look, you see what K Baby said? That is not R. Kelly's cousin, and she knows for a fact. Is it off now? It's
It's
still in
gone.
there. It's still in there.
I don't see it on my end. That's because it's your thing. No one's gonna see it but you. Then it's not on mine. I promise.
Gucci, come in and tell me if you see his message. Gucci, come in and see if you see his message, because I can't let everybody in and then they see that message.
See, Sylvia, you about to have everybody go coming after me, wondering why.
Cause you shouldn't have put it in there. I don't know why you gotta put it in there. Oh my god, dude.
I had to because you kept saying, no, you don't. No, you don't. Come on, Gucci, man. Save me. Get me out this hot seat.
Sydney says, I agree. What your format forum is about, answering question, and about what we heard from the transcript to provide clarity. What each of your attorneys, yep. LOL, what he said. Jay Lewis. You see what you're doing, 313?
I ain't do anything.
Gucci, come in here and see if you see the message he just have. Or Randa, somebody come in here. Randa or Gucci.
Nah, Randa can stay where she at.
Love bug, you know I can't tell you what he said. Because I might have to kill him over here.
See, now people think I'm talking about them.
They're cousins. Whose cousins? Whose cousin? Okay, let me tell you what Mr. Kelly said himself. Mr. Kelly himself. No, I'm not going to even say it. Let me shut up.
Wait, are they saying that they saying that I'm his cousin?
No, not
Oh,
you. What's wrong with you? No, no, this is a different topic. This is not what you're talking about.
uh,
Which they're talking about Riddle put in the a message saying his cousin said that Rob is going to be out on by December, by the holidays or something like that. And so uh K Baby said that's not his cousin, right? And so I just agreed with K Baby that's not his cousin. And so they're talking about that. Chevelle said, who said? Well, Robert said.
Gucci,
Robert said
keep that leak. What Rob say?
that he's not his cousin. He knows him, and he's that's not his cousin. That's not his family.
Uh,
That's what
Gucci,
he
click
said.
that link, man, and save me.
That's what he said. He met him in Detroit. He don't know that is not his relative. Robert's family is a small family. It's not that huge. And it really doesn't matter though. You're right, Felicia Fee. Really doesn't matter. You're absolutely right. It's whoever's out there helping him out. Whoever's out there pushing for him, who's that's what matters. You know what matters? You know what Julius did? Julius got on that stand and stood for him. That's what matters. That is what matters. Not somebody getting on YouTube and saying all they can say. I mean, if you're not putting in the work, putting in the boots on the ground, if you're not spreading his positivity and it's all about cash app and money, then because they say the same thing about me, but my work shows, and I don't care what nobody say. Y'all say cash app, but let me show you. I can show you money being given back to him from my cash app, from my channel, and I can show you that. I have receipts. I have receipts of money orders I've given. So that's why I don't worry about what they say about me. My channel is about me. Let me tell you something. My money goes straight to him. In fact, his money is overflowing right now. They have to try to get the money out. It's overflowing because we've been a blessing. We've been pushing to send it out to his commissary. Cuz send it out to his commissary. Because that's what he requested. He requested for it to go to his commissary. And that was told to me himself when he emailed me. He asked for it to go to his commissary. And that was done back in June. He asked me because if you notice, after June, I've been asking you guys to send it straight to his commissary. That because that's what he asked, and have to follow the man instruction. Send it to his commissary. Let him make his decision. And that I got it directly from him, the commissary part. Now the other stuff that I'm telling you, like how he's doing right now, I can't tell you how he's doing for myself because he has not responded since the 14th of June to my emails. But I still send him emails because his stuff hasn't been transferred over completely yet, but I have not been removed from it because one day when they were doing some maintenance, my email bounced back. So I was like, "Oh, did he take me off his email?" And then I went and contacted the BOP, and they were saying they were doing some maintenance. So, and then I started sending emails, and it's still going through him, but I have not gotten an email back yet. I have not. So I'm not going to sit there and say, "Oh, I'm getting emails from him." No, I'm not. But I send my email. I'm very consistent in getting his email out to him. I have nothing to gain from telling you guys fibs. And no, I am not a family member. No, I don't know him like the rest of them. No, I have not been around him for 40, 50 years. No, I do not. I do not. All I am is a person that supports, who has a passion in believing in his innocence. And I'm going to ride, like I said, till the wheels fall off. It doesn't matter how many people put my name out there, how many people call me a super fan, because I did not even know his music. And some of you guys has taught me his music. You guys have taught me so much about his music. I'm going to give a shout out to Dom K and to Big Marshall and to Miss Fat, because they the one who's teaching me some of his music. Now I believe I could fly, and I knew I didn't even know the storm is over was his song because I knew TD Jake was singing that song, but when I found out that he made that song, I was like, wow, that is like awesome. So I've learned a lot. I've learned a lot about his music since being in this fight. For someone to say I'm a super, super, super fan. I've never been to a concert, and I pray that God allows me to get to at least one concert where I pay for my ticket, not getting no free ticket from him, but me paying for my ticket and going to sit in the front row, no matter what it costs, even if I have to um let me stop. So I was gonna say sell my body, but that's a lie. I'm just joking. Because I want to have that opportunity, because because then I can say, Lord, thank you for that opportunity to be able to go to his concert. Now I've been to Michael Jackson concert, I've been to Prince concert, I've been to those concerts, but I've never been to an R. Kelly concert. So those who says I'm a super fan, that's a lie. Now I might have became a super fan now because I'm learning a lot about him. I'm learning about the person, not the persona, not uh, the entertainer, but the person. So, and it's coming straight from my mouth. So you can hear it straight from here. It's not about all this extra. But you know what the thing is, the awesome thing is God has allowed this channel to grow because obviously he has a message from us in this chat. It's not about just Sylvia, it's about all of us in this chat. There's a message that he wants the world to know. That's why he's allowing this channel to grow as quickly as has allowed it to. I have not purchased any subscribers. That's a lie also. I've never purchased any subscribers because folks been saying, "Oh, she bought for subscribe." What do I have money to buy that for? For what? Because those things are bots anyway, and if you buy them, they're gonna drop off, and YouTube gonna take whatever thing that they have. They do a search through if you have fake accounts or not. So I've been pushing. I've had Mr. 444 and Mr. Terry, who's been wonderful in pushing out the channel. Because the other day when I was looking crazy, let me tell you something. When I was looking crazy with the little funny hair thing, do you believe I got 143 people just from that crazy live? Just from that crazy live. And people's like, oh, you're getting money off of R. Kelly. No, I'm getting money off of me bringing the information out. And what I do with the money, I share it with Robert Sylvester Kelly. I do, because I give into his commissary. So that's what I do. So I could give a crap of what you guys think about me. I give a crap because I know what work God has allowed me to do, where I've been, even with me being in pain. I have health issues going on, but I'm still gung ho. I have things that's just been crazy around here, but I'm still gung ho, still doing it. People don't talk to me. People send me messages. I can send you a message right now from a police officer in Chicago who hate Robert, right? But he used to be a friend of mine. He used to be. I said used to be because I don't talk to him anymore. But as soon as Robert got the conviction, he was sending me some messages. I told you so. I told you so. And you know what? I haven't replied to his message. I could show you his message. And he's like, "Oh, you're not talking to me?" No, I'm not talking to you. For what? I have nothing to say to you because you're gloating on somebody else's misfortune. What? Oh my God. Y'all,
What happened, Sylvia?
oh my God. You know what, guys? This dude just filed a lawsuit against me again.
Who?
That boy over there.
Bozo?
Yeah. He filed a lawsuit because he lost for Lord Jesus, 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 Jesus.
It's all right, Sylvia. God got you. We know why he filed it because he don't want to pay that money. And then he just went live talking some another win for the good guy. See how the courts allow him to do stuff and then go to the internet and like blast it and do all that. Like see, that I would show all that to the judge. Like this is like internet
He
game.
says I've been stalking him and threatening him. I'm going to read to you guys what he just said. Hold on, y'all. I'm going to read to you guys cuz this is crazy. Oh my God. This is when did I threaten this dude? When did I threaten him?
When have you ever threatened anybody? Is the
I have
question
never threatened anybody. You see, this is what I'm talking about with the enemy.
with the broken me.
This dude just he said he never defaulted in payment. Oh my God. Oh Jesus, Lord have mercy. Oh.
You'll be all right. I mean, the courts have to allow anyone to make their claim, but I'm pretty sure the courts
But this
even.
is just like just irritating that this dude is just he lied and said he you should see this man. He got like a whole he did this on today, y'all. He did this today. Oh my God. You know what he did the last time, you guys? You remember the issues he's been having with DJ Tyson? He used that. He said that was me. That was part of me. DJ and I are part of each other. Mm, mm, mm. Something mentally wrong with him. He destroys the car. We no longer have the car. Car repo thing was put against my husband because he abandoned the car. We won. Now this. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Oh, you know what? You just gotta pray for people like this. No good deed goes unpunished, guys. No good deed goes unpunished. No good deed goes unpunished. No good deed goes unpunished. Mm, mm, mm. Defendant is not a resident of Georgia, nor does has it. Which the plaintiff wife Sylvia Tomasini and her husband Ronald Tomasini committed fraud upon the court by not disclosing any of the proof. They frauded the defendant by complying. What? How did I defraud him? What the hell? Y'all, let me get off this live. Let me go. I gotta go. You know, Stat, you know exactly who we talking about because you're on his live. So let's not play games with me. Don't play games with me. Okay, I got an instant headache. I gotta go, guys. I gotta go. Because this is the kind of stuff I gotta go. I gotta go. No. You know what, Tiff? No. I'm gonna pray it and leave it on to God. I'm gonna leave that alone, guys. It's a distraction, guys. It's a distraction. It's a distraction. I'm not gonna. I'll deal with that offline. I'm gonna continue with what we got going on. Um. All right, guys. Let's go back to the question. Hey, 313. Let's keep continue. Let's continue, guys. Let's do this. Here's my email. Let's continue. Because obviously the enemy wants me off, and I'm not gonna give that to the enemy. Not at all. Not at all. All right. That's what it is, guys. I just sent Miranda, they go to email sparks1565 at gmail.com. The attorney is still going to be on tomorrow. We're going to get things together. So we're not going to entertain this because we already know the enemy is a lie. The devil is a lie. We're going to move on, stay focused. Yes, it will, Tiffany. You have said absolutely right. I'm happy I'm not kin to you because if I was your cousin, nephew, uncle, progress, progress. Violence would not hurt, will not help the situation because then I would have to pull you out of jail. Can't do that. No, no weapon formed against me shall prosper. The attorney, Miss Alexander, the attorney will be here at 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, 9 o'clock Central, 8 o'clock Mountain, and 7 o'clock Pacific. 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 Mm, mm, mm. That's the time of year. The attorney will be at 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time tomorrow. So, guys, those who still have questions, continue to send the question because what I'm doing is I'm adding the question to the list and he will get it. Okay. He will get the question. He will get the question. Yep, he will get the question. Three one 313.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a minute, I got a question for you. You digger me said, "What's your availability?"
Um, man,
You know why, right? Because she wants you to be in the auction.
nah, you dig me just playing her little role. She really trying to put some money in my pocket.
Oh.
That's what you digging me doing. You digging me been watching me, Sylvia.
You know, she always got to come up with some joke.
She ain't joking when it come to me. She ready to pay that tag.
Yes, guys, don't forget to sign the petition that Spitfire has out. Sign the petition. Mm.
Why is Big B always saying who blocks his comments? What is he saying?
I don't know, Big B. We see your comment. I don't see a comment block. I see it. Miss T. London said you cute. Miss T. London said you cute.
I seen it.
Oh, Takoya. I know. Shabazz X. Is this the Shabazz that I know, or is this Shabazz that somebody I don't know?
Probably.
Shabazz, it's not a specific topic. It's us getting questions over because I have a special guest coming on tomorrow, the attorney. So it's just us asking questions and putting questions together, and then other things may come about. We have a little discussion, then we got to get back to the question asking. But that's where we're at. YouTube tripping. They block your comments. 4,000 55,000 subscribers to win. You digging me? LOL. Oh, you digging me now? He putting you out there. He putting you out there, Sylvia. I can't recall you thinking a lot. You're thinking a lot. I've always known you to speak facts and nothing but facts. Thank you, Shay.
Hold on, you digging me? That $40, that's y'all late. That's the women's thing. They always want $40 to the cash app. You can't even meet a girl. She be like, "You want to go on a date? Yeah, can you cash at me $40?"
But you
Like,
know what? Let me tell you something. There's going to be a law in New York now. If there's going to be it's like rape by persuasion or something like that, seduction, rape by seduction. That means now if you invite a girl out and you wine and dine her and you have sex, you can go and say you raped her by seduction. Did you know that? I think
That
that's
don't make no sense though. That's like so basically, and excuse my language, but I gotta be a bum ass nigga to take a girl out now. Like I can't be a man and pay for the dinner and buy her a flower, nothing. That's crazy.
they
See,
messing it up for a lot of women. Shoot.
they mess it up for women, and they really trying to like force feminism on men because why would you want a man not to be a man? Like that's ignorant. I don't know. I don't care about that law. I just don't believe in a woman paying for anything for me. So if you date me, like I'm gonna do my job as a man. You're not about to be paying my rent, paying half on no bills, none of that. I don't believe in that. That's against my religion. We might need that closet piece back. I don't think it's carpet for the closet. So if New York passed that law, I don't think they're gonna get away with that. Sylvia, that's crazy.
I know.
That's just crazy. That's the craziest thing I heard. You digging me? I might do it for free because I know you wanna. I know you wanna rig the auction up so you can win.
Hold on, y'all. Trying to get. I'm getting hungry.
I just had a salad, a spicy salad. It was good.
You made it yourself?
I bought it.
Oh. You just bought it yourself.
You might be right, Amber, because I've been thinking that I'm real different. You gonna just that fit in this closet?
All right, guys and gentlemen, ladies, everybody. Shabazz, well, we're all messed up in some form of fashion, especially black people. This tea, I'm running to stay around it. 444, are you coming in? What happened to our interview? I was waiting around for you. My throat itching.
What's her name? Miss T. London. I'm a great cook. I don't even need a woman to cook for me. I like to cook for my woman.
All right now.
Mm.
All righty. All righty.
And plus, the only reason I always been like that is because I can't lie to myself. And if someone cook me something that don't taste good, I'm not gonna sit there and be like, "Oh yeah, this is good, baby," and then she's gonna have the idea to keep making me that. So I'd rather just be the cook. You just sit down, watch TV, and I'll let you know when your food done.
Mm-mm. You going to GA on your born day? Okay, progress, progress. Black Nixon said, "Don't come to his penthouse empty-handed." Shay, I can't wait. I wanted that. I want to. Can't even talk. I want that opportunity to go to one of his concerts. Definitely, I definitely want that. I believe God is going to give me that opportunity too. I believe that God is going to give me that opportunity. Sylvia, check your email. Black Beauty, I think I did check my email. Oh, I'm behind. Sorry, my bad. Three. You digging me? 313. Must treat must treat to lunch first at least. Same here, Sylvia. My mom say no back in the day. Send me my MC Hammer. LOL. Gotta pray. That's right. Uh, uh, uh. That's right. We gotta pray. You gotta stomp, 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 stomp your devil under your feet. Yeah, I want to play that, but they're gonna mess up my thing. I just want to. I'll play it another time. I'll play it on a video that don't matter because we need this video here to go out so we get all the questions and stuff. You get what I'm saying? Tori's in the house. All right. Red Bunny. Red Bunny. How many concerts? Okay. Put in the chat. How many concerts of R. Kelly's have you been to? That's gonna be our trivia question. Now, how many concerts have you been to in R. Kelly's? How many R. Kelly's concerts have you been to? Hey, Diamond. Joyson said zero. Joyson, I'm with you. I got zero on mine. Um, all okay. You gotta tell me the number now, Rhoda. I gotta know the number. Black Beauty said one, and I'm working. I've been missing stuff. Okay, Chanel said four. Cornelia says five. Big B said zero. Samantha says zero. Chanel. Oh, my Fifi 24. Oh my God, Fifi, you a connoisseur. Um, Tiffany said two. Red Bunny says three. Amber says two. You Dig Me says zero. So I think the zeros are winning. But Oh my God. Fifi said 24. Oh, wow. Juicy said none. How many have you been to, Juicy Love? None. Okay.
They ain't been to none
Tiffany
of the
says no.
concerts. I mean, we could set up a meeting
Okay. Fifi is the one. She's the connoisseur up in here, man. Latrice said one. Lady T said zero. Nova says five. Diamond says five. Progress. How many have you had? Have you been? I'm out, y'all. Keep up the good work. How much progress? How many have you been to before you leave out? I have. I have most been sold out. Most have been sold out. Okay. Fifi by progress. How many have you been? Katie, I got your question. Michelle says none. Okay. Stephanie says Lord. So Stephanie, how many have you been to? Oh, Angela comes second. Fifi's number one. Angela comes second because she has 10. She's been to 10. Fifi, you travel all over the world to see him? That's what Latrice asked. I'm not a concert person, but I have his
You know
CD.
what would be a good idea, Sylvia? To get
Hmm?
Fifi on the channel one day to speak about how it is at a concert.
Yeah, Fifi, you willing to do that? Come and talk about the concert experience?
To see if there's anything like what they allege goes down.
K Baby's been to a lot too. K Baby, how many have you been to? No, you digging me didn't say. Did you digging me? No, you didn't. Fifi, did you see you digging me question? Did you see you digging me? Fifi, you digging me is a troublemaker. You see what she said?
What she say, Sylvia?
She said, Fifi, are you JP? Fifi, you know she is out of order for that. She is. Oh my God. I don't think that's funny. Fifi, you think that's funny? I don't think that's funny either.
Yeah, you digging me must really need to go on a date. She got too much time on her hands.
Too much time. Too much time. Fifi said no. Oh, Fifi took it as drive. She just answered you no. I would have cursed you out. Fifi's so nice.
We over here in Sylvia's channel are well mannered, allegedly.
Look, he said 313 stop.
She don't want me to stop, Sylvia.
She wants you to keep going.
Yeah. She wants the Energizer Bunny treatment.
Mm, mm, mm. Tori's been to which one? How many have you been to?
Who, me?
No, how many have you been to? How many canceled? You didn't tell me how many you been to. I said zero. How many you been
I've
to?
been to a lot of concerts, but none of his.
So you should say none, zero for his, like
I've
us.
made my own concerts in my room.
Oh my God, we didn't ask you all that. I went to one Friday night in Cincinnati, then drove to Rochester, New York for the next night. 9 hours away. I was thinking the same thing, JP. She's an expert. 80s. Okay, Fifi. Okay, okay, Fifi. Okay, okay.
Don't do me like that, Red Bunny. I was showing out for you.
Uh, Bunny does it. Wait a minute. Tori said she been to all his concert. Wait a minute, Tori. You how many concerts you been to? Okay, Denitra says 7. Tristan, you been to all over R. Kelly's. Okay, are you talking about somebody else or Michael Jackson? Are you talking about somebody else? Okay, we're talking about R. Kelly concert. We're not talking about other people's concert. This is okay. People, and I'm Texas. I go 24 concert. That's a lot of concert. You are really a connoisseur. So, Denitra is number 3. We got Fifi number 1, and then we have who's number 2? Who had 10? Who was that had 10? Who was the one that had 10? Angela, you the one who went to 10, right? Was it Angela? Oh, Angela, yeah. I got okay. So the Texas people, the one who's been seeing him a lot, huh? Okay. We got Fifi 24. We have Angela 10, and we had Denitra with 7. Fifi, Angela, Reba, Tori. Tori, how many times? How many have you seen? Reba, how many you have? I didn't see Reba's. What about So Tori's been to. Yeah, they should be on the panel because they know all about the concert. Sylvia be. I'm with the 0 people. Read Tori's comment. Okay, what did Tori said? She's since I was 18 and I'm 44. So you've been to every concert since you was 18 to 44. Every state also? Boy, y'all really a connoisseur fans. Jay Lewis says she's only been to 1. I've seen him in Cincinnati. I'm going to check the library. I'll be like to go. I'd like to go. Me too, Big B. Me too. You and I, and the rest of the gang who has never seen him will go on the next concert that he has. We're gonna be the main ones to go, since we have never experienced any concerts of his. So all those people who keep yelling, "She's a super fan. She's a super fan. She's a super fan." You missed the Memphis to Mississippi. I've never missed a concert from Memphis to Mississippi. Okay, okay. I went there, Diamond at Diamond. My husband was mad because he came on late. That's the New York one, right, Tiff? Is that the New York one? Because I keep hearing how he was late on that one. Give me your money's worth. He gives you your money's worth. One time performing in San Antonio, and it was 2 hours long. Wow. Because mine is a Cal fan. Cincinnati. Okay, I just Louisville. I've been to 3. Okay, you only been to 3? S2? Parker says, I've been to YouTube. Progress said, he's been to only, he been to the YouTube concerts. I haven't even been to the YouTube concerts. I only seen half of it because I haven't watched the whole thing. That's the link to the Light Up tour. Are you sleeping over there at 313? All right, see you later. I'm laughing at some of these people's comments, 313.
Yeah,
They're
I'm
so
reading them
funny.
and
They're
working.
so funny.
Look at you digging me. See there, she about to get some stuff started. I do not know that girl's social media.
Oh, yeah.
Don't be cock blocking on me, you digging me.
Oh, God, dude, think me start trouble.
I might let Sylvia get my Instagram out. I'll think about it.
You back? Where were they? Oh, oh, you got that. You didn't get me none of that. Oh, wow. Y'all selfish. No, I did not get. I only got this. I ain't get no chips or nothing. But that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. All right. Okay, I got them. Okay, Tick. Okay, we're reading these kind of question here. He throws a phenomenal show. Well, I'll be blank, 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 blank. Samantha, send a request. Samantha, 444 wants you to send a request. Hey, Big B. Sorry I was driving when you spoke. How many concerts have you been to, K Baby? Fifi say she going to the Chicago show. I'm going too, Fifi. Whatever the first show is, I'm gonna make sure I save my coins and I'm going. I'm going. She said she's been to all except 5 of them. So how many is that, K Baby? How many that? Because I want to see if you be the winner of the prize. No, it's no prize. I'm just saying the winner of the question.
I'm the prize, y'all.
K Baby. 313 is the prize. He's gonna give you a free concert with Kel's music. He's gonna give you a free concert.
They don't want to do that, Sylvia, because I'm playing half on the baby.
Uh oh. Uh oh. Uh oh. Uh oh.
I'm gonna stop being messy. Now you digging me really trying to find my social media to
Hey,
get up my
pizza
dig.
puzzle. Yeah, you're right. I'm gonna have Candy Crush. You back? Oh, oh, you got the little booty thing on now. Oh. You got a whole bunch of those. You have a whole bunch of those, huh? Can you give me some? Thank you. Appreciate you. Hey, Reba says she's the winner.
What my homegirl Claudine said, no face, no case. She ain't got no face.
We see
No
your
face,
face.
no face, no date.
No face, no date. Reba, you got to show your face. Alrighty. you, Reba, you made him. You got him scared. He jumped off. He jumped off. So, you guys, what are you going to do this afternoon? So, okay, what's your favorite R. Kelly album? What's your favorite R. Kelly album or R. Kelly song? What's your favorite song? What's your favorite R. Kelly song? Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. I like it. Okay. What's your favorite R. Kelly song? We already know his is half on the baby. What's your favorite one? What's your go-to song when you're feeling down and blue on R. Kelly songs?
You talking to the chat, Sylvia?
Yeah,
I mean, I don't go to R. Kelly when I'm feeling down and blue.
I'm not talking to you.
Oh, even though he do got some good songs.
No, he got some uplifting songs that will when you're down, like "The Storm Is Over," "I'm the Greatest."
Yeah, he do. I can't believe they said that he do make a lot of good music. Cause my daughter love, I believe I could fly.
I love it too. I was listening. I was on a plane ride back home. The little kids was singing it. I'm like, you
Nuh-uh,
cannot
for
stop his music. Yeah.
yeah, that's goofy. But that's part of the agenda to stop the music to try to jam everything else up. All right, mods that's in the chat. We got some spam going on. You see it?
There's spam coming in.
Yeah, you don't see
There's
it that
spam coming in.
webcam
They probably
sound.
getting it now, huh? I don't see no spam. You see it?
Yeah, it says webcam.com hot girls and boys
You
video
mess.
chat.
You messing. You
They
messing
they
up.
put
You
it in
messing up
there.
your thing. You messing up your. Your voice is messing up. Say it again.
It says webcam hot boys and girls video chat. You don't
Get
see
them,
it in the
y'all.
chat?
No, it's not on here. Not showing it. The the mods got them. The best mods in the world got them. All right, guys. So I'm about to go. We'll see you tonight for the reading at 7 o'clock. We're going to continue the reading at 7 o'clock tonight, where you will hear Mr. Sultry's voice. I know he's in the bushes. Hey, Terry. Hey, Terry. He's working hard, y'all. He'll
Are
be
you
getting
at
off
work,
soon.
Sylvia?
I work home. Remember, I dude, don't get in my business now. Don't get in my
Look,
business.
you went from about to
Don't
tell me to.
don't get in my business. I got a lot of stuff going on. Trust me, I got something going on. But
Oh,
I
I
quit my
will
other
get
job. I quit my job that was holding me from doing what I need to do on my channel. But I you know me. I got you know me. You know me. You know me, right? You know me. Like my mom used to say, you know. Got to pay the bills, you know. Bills, got to pay the bills, the telephone bills.
Look, you digging me? Still promoting days. We not flying nobody nowhere. Ain't nobody trying to get no man jack, woman.
You digging me? Stop that. They watching our channel. Hey, do not you digging me? Don't put me in that stuff that you do. Don't put my email on that. I don't have nothing to do with no virtual date. That's you digging me, y'all. That's you digging me. That has nothing to do with Sylvia.
That's why I call her you feeling me.
We had badges come. Badges, please confirm address. Where's your address? Okay. See, my badge is coming in the mail. Woo 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 woo.
You got to birch your bag.
Hmm?
What kind of bag
I
you
told
getting?
you. I told you I'm not telling you my business now. I'm gonna have to kill you if I tell you my business. I ain't trying to kill you. I ain't
I
trying to kill
almost
you.
got I almost got killed before, so I'm not. I'll pass.
I can't do that. I can't go for manslaughter.
You want to know something crazy, Sylvia? Is off subject. Getting
Hmm.
shot don't really hurt. It's all the stuff after it hurt. I think I had more pain in the hospital than actually.
Oh, Fifi said definitely. We know what. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a panel of those who've been to R. Kelly's concert to tell us the experience and everything about it. Which everything. I want to know
Ever,
everything. Yep,
everything.
everything, everything. Hey, yeah, we at 228 of up off the 300. 228 off the 300. Guys, y'all doing it. 228 minus 300. We're 72 subscriber away from the $100. 72 subscriber for the next $100. 72 subscribers away from the $100.
I am right here.
It pays to listen to V1. Oh, let me stop. To Infamous Sylvia. I gotta do a commercial like that. Where's 333? I mess up these numbers now. You 313. I mean, I need 444 smiles. You guys with these numbers, man. 444 smiles. Where are you? I'm still waiting on you. I was waiting for that attorney to call, but y'all know, when he does stuff like get the attorneys, I never get the call. But when I do it, let me stop messing with them. I'm just joking. Just joking, 444. Just messing with you. Just joking. He said we coming. He said we coming. Okay, okay. Here we go. He's in the bushes still. He just got the number. Okay, okay, okay. Ugh. All right, for lunch. I'm hungry.
You about to make me sleepy, Sylvia. Don't do that.
Y'all make you sleepy? Sorry.
Yeah, you know when someone yawn, it just like passes on like a chain effect.
It does. This is my story. Uh-uh. Hey, Amber, guess what?
Yeah, we want to hear that sly voice.
No, 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 no. Amber, guess what? Saturday, you're gonna hear Mr. Terry and I. Don't be late. It's gonna be on the other channel. We got a surprise for you guys. Mm-hmm. Sure do. We got a surprise for you
I'm gonna tell the
guys.
surprise. Gucci putting it on the table, y'all.
Oh, and you too gonna put it on the table. Where's
No, no,
Sinsin?
no.
Where's Sinsin? Sinsin. They're gonna put it on the table, Sinsin.
I'm a private man.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to all our channel holders that comes graces with the channel. So we're 70 subscribers away from the next $100. Could you mute yourself, sir? You're making noise again. Sir, thank you. Thank you, sir. I appreciate you. Mr. 444 Smile, we're 72 subscribers away from the next $100. I hope you have your $100 ready for the people. Yes, it's the silver. Yeah, that's the channel. Rhoda, that's the channel.
What is this $100?
Hmm?
What hundred
Check.
dollars are you talking about? I said, what's this $100 you keep mentioning?
Um, we gave him $100 already. We gave $50. We gave $50. We gave $10. We've been giving out money in this channel. Okay.
To get money.
Huh?
I'm saying what someone's winning like a prize, a cash prize.
Yeah, these are prize. Yeah, these are prize, cash prizes. They answer questions and stuff like that. Yes, we are reading tonight, and we're still on August 18th. Um, I please submit one question. Do I do in the bushes? Go ahead and submit your question to my email. Remember, my email is where you send your question for the attorney to my email. And what I'm gonna do after 5 o'clock today, 5 o'clock is the cutoff. I'm going to copy and paste it and send him all the question to him. And so he'll be ready to hit those questions. I don't know if he's going to hit every question, but all the question that you're giving me, I'm going to send it to him, to the attorney. Sounds good, guys? Okay, Vicky. Vicky just answered the question. Thank you, Vicky. If you're in the chat, Vicky said this is regarding to the HIPAA law. HIPAA is a federal law. She says, I work in a federal government agency. Even if a patient gives a written consent for the records to be released, the receiving end doesn't just get everything. The patient has to indicate what type of records, what patient has to indicate what type of records and time period. Even when the patient dies, the records are still protected under HIPAA. Okay, thank you so much, Vicky, for that answer. Thank you, Vicky. Vicky just answered some of the question. Thank you. Stats. Yes, you can get a copy of the transcript, but you have to submit some a donation to get the copy because we're still trying to get the 27th. We don't have the funds for the 27th yet. So, and these transcript cost. You know, I was blessed with some, but the others it costs. So it's not free. We didn't get it free. I didn't get it all free. We still got to get the 27th. I'm waiting for the reporter to tell me the cost of that one. So we do have it is not given for you to you for free because we paid for it. Okay? So why they cost so much? I thought they would could give it away. Why they thought they could get away with it. Yeah, that's why they cost so much. Yeah, they charge $1.20 per page. Of course, I'm not charging y'all that. Absolutely not. But what we did in the beginning, certain amount you would get if you stat. It depends on how many of them do you want. Depend how many of them do you want. I'm not gonna. I'll cash app you right now. How many of them do you want? You can text me and let me know how many you want. Then text me at 770-856-3091. Because what we're trying to do now is replenish so we can get the next one, the 27th. Because we don't have the 27th. That's the only one we're waiting for. Everything else we have. Yeah, and I heard people making comments about saying that I should give it to everybody. Wait a minute, y'all. You know how much we struggled over here trying to collect this money to get the transcript, and they just want us to give them the transcript. Now, how fair is that, people? Come on now. Come on. How fair is that? And we still got to get one more? You just can't get it. There's nothing in this world free, even if they say it's free. It's not
Not
free. You
even
got,
Mr. 313.
especially Mr. 313. He's not free. Especially 313 is not free.
But I come with a lot of perks. I cook, I clean, I take good care of it.
He grows fruits and vegetable. Samantha says 313 costs. That's pimping. That's we're not doing the pimping thing here. We ain't pimping nobody. I'm not selling nobody off.
See, I ain't even asked for no money. All I cost is time and attention.
Oh. That's still a price. Time and attention. Money is time. Time is money.
And when she want that new
Also
washer
have the
machine,
consistent
don't that
paying
cost?
for information. I don't know, Tina. That is a good question to ask the attorney. Send me that question. Email it to me. Um 313. You see it? You digging me? Says seems like you're ready.
I was born ready.
And drop some information at Sylvia. Drop what information? What you want? What you want? Progress. What information you want? I thought you was leaving. You left us and you came back. What kind of information you want? Progress. Tell me what kind of information you want. Yeah, can y'all answer something for me? Why do these people think that they're I just want to join when you need volunteer to read? um why is it that people think that they should be entitled to something that you worked 30 years for, that you sweated, went through all the trials and tribulation? Why do people think that they should do that? Stat, just send me a text message. We don't need to keep discussing this online. Just send me a text message. We're on a different topic now. Um, why do people entitlement is great? Exactly, Stat, Samantha. Samantha, no, it's funny to me. People have grown to be lazy, and what reaps and off of other works, hard work. The amount of witnesses with similar stories. Just Tina. Joy, did you strike him? Mm-mm-mm. Wake up, 313. I thought 444 was coming in. He said he was gonna call me. Where he said? Where is he? Yeah, I'm ready to get off this live so I can go ahead and take care of some things over here. I was trying to wait for 444 to come in so we can get the attorney to talk. What's the other channel? You think we put the other channel?
You making me do this,
I'm
Sylvia? Wait, no, man. I'm
sorry.
over here trying to talk, and you got me yelling until my third coming out. But
Oh, he said
yeah,
after lunch. What time after lunch? We can come back
um, the attorney's coming on when
tomorrow.
Tomorrow, Friday.
Hmm.
I'm going out to eat tomorrow.
What time?
Yeah, you got a Texas to Brazil out there where you at?
No. What's that?
It's a Brazilian steakhouse.
They have a bunch of
There's
meat.
no
Brazilian. They don't do too
there's
much of
just no
those
words
here
to
anymore.
explain.
They used to be all over the place, but they don't have too many of them in here no more.
Very nice. Something worth it.
We can't hear you. We hear something moving. We don't hear you. We don't hear you. We hear something moving.
Who you talking to me?
Hmm. Okay, hiccups.
You know, you digging me. She could be a good hype girl.
Oh, she good.
She's just hitting it back to back with the Anything Goes channel. We gonna hold you to that. You digging me? You said anything goes. Piece of the puzzle. That man acting is the craziest law ever heard, and I don't even think it's a real thing. They just made it a real thing to bring it up. And I think every man over 25 going to jail there. Because, you know, under 25, they only speed. So now I have a lot of ex-wives. You know that?
Hmm.
I said
I
I'm
hear
gonna
you.
have a. I said I'm gonna have a lot of ex-wives.
Why?
But I'm not gonna get no man that. I'm gonna make him marry me first, fly him out, and then when we done hanging out, divorce.
You are so funny. Oh. Okay, somebody's trying to send me a filler auto filler something like that. Sarah from auto filler. I don't know if someone shared a document with you. Who shared a document with me? I don't know what this is all about. Somebody shared a document with me. I'm getting all kind of weird stuff, y'all. What the heck is going on?
Don't click it, it's a virus.
Oh, I didn't click it.
Ain't no sneaky link, is it?
Mm-mm. Oh, there's a Tyler Tech dot cloud. E-filing email. Hmm. Hold on, y'all. Just a second. Hmm. I'm trying to save something. Just a second. Wake up, Mr. 313. Okay. I was waiting for y'all. I'm gonna end this. That's what I was saying earlier. Statute of limitations. Uh-uh. Uh, oh no, I ate that yesterday. Okay, he said the 330 motion is not applicable in Kelly's case, federal case. It is a federal rule of criminal procedure that is applicable to R. Kelly's case, not New York State criminal procedure. I'm not an attorney, so I can't tell you if it's right or wrong. I'm not an attorney, so I don't know. But here's also Daniel. I want to tell you something. Some of the stuff that was like okay, when the judge was talking about the rulings of Illinois, they had to go by Illinois state law. So in some instances, they have to go with what the state law is for that particular crime. So I'm not too sure what you're talking about. So the attorney will be here tomorrow, so we can get clarification on stuff like that. Because I am not one to be arguing about something I know nothing about. Are you an attorney, Daniel? Are you an attorney? Just question, just asking. Are you an attorney? I'm not an attorney. I'm not going to even fake like I'm an attorney. All I can do is bring you information. Daniel, where are you? Answer the question. I'm ready to get off. 313.
You gotta say it like Mr. Miyagi, Danielson.
Wax on or wax off? That's on.
Remember, he's like Danielson.
Danielson.
And
Peace is a
you
plus.
been
Emotion does not apply to this case. So, are you an attorney? You're not answering my question, Mr. Daniel.
you been live for 3 hours.
Yeah, I'm about to get off. Cause when you get on so long like this, it gets really boring. Cause I'm bored. I was just trying to figure out what Daniel, his is he like a lawyer or the 2254? What is that? I don't know. Daniel, you didn't answer
They
my
talking about
question.
a
Are you
they
into
talking about emotion.
motions? Well, I don't know nothing about motion. I ain't no attorney, so I can't tell you what motion is what. Because I am not an attorney.
All I know about is the motion in the ocean.
I am not a motion. I am not an attorney, so I can't help you on that one.
Sylvia said, "I am not emotion."
Not a motion. I'm about to end this. I'm getting a little tired now.
Me too. I'm almost done working.
He's not answering the question. Oh, it's Geo. He's another sponsor of mine. Oh, let's see. Oh, yeah, more prizes, more gift. I got another sponsor. Look at this. Look at that. Look at God, y'all. Look at God. Moving, 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 moving. Moving. Y'all, I'm getting
You got
sleep.
another gift, another sponsor,
Yes, I got another sponsor, y'all.
like from YouTube.
Hey, unique thought. Yeah, I'm trying to get off.
Like a plan. I'm burnt out.
Okay, we got another sponsor in this channel, y'all. Let's see who he is. Hold on. Let's see. Shout out to my other sponsor, Mr. Geo. Growing with Geo. Oh, look at this. Let me see what his channel is saying. What is he saying? Hold on. What is he talking about?
the five areas of focus to become a well-rounded man. I'm gonna get right into it. The first thing is gonna be the physical, right? Physically, yeah. You need to be. You need to apply some resistance to your body. Get some cardio in, lift some weights. Hit heavy bag. Whatever it is that will get you in the tip top shape that you can be. That's what you need to be doing. Right? And we need to be doing that for two reasons. Right? First, we don't want to be dealing with all of those issues that come with being out of shape. Especially as we get older, the issues of diabetes and hypertension and the strokes and all of that different type of stuff. We don't need that in our lives, right? But the second reason being, we need to have as high of a sexual market value as we can for the women, right? We need to keep our bodies in shape. Women are attracted to men who have definition in their arms, muscular chest, and don't get me wrong, there's preference in every area that you move in. So if you got a pot belly, if you got a big ass head, whatever it is that it's somebody that like that about you. But generally across the board, women like to see men that's in shape. It shows discipline, right? Second thing, we're gonna go into the mental, and that right there is going to be, the things that increase your mental is going to be your discipline. What's your morning routine? What's your daily practices that push you forward? Are you reading a book every day you wake up? Are you an open-minded individual? Are you open to criticism? All these different types of things that entail the mental. Then we go into the spiritual. Now, I'm not going to get too deep into spirituality, but it's two practices that anybody can proceed with to help themselves on a spiritual level. That's going to be your meditation and then your prayer, right? Now, meditation is so powerful because it has the ability to compose you, relax you. When it comes to talking to women, if you have a daily routine of meditating, it can help you to be present.
Daniel, you still didn't answer my question. Are you an attorney? Daniel, you still didn't answer my question, sir. All right, so I'm gonna reach out to my new sponsor, Mr. Growing with Geo. Growing with Geo. So we're gonna Growing with Geo. That is our new sponsor on this channel. Okay, here you go. What happened to you?
Somebody called me.
Okay. Well, anyway, guys, I'm gonna get off right now because I need a break. I'll be back in a few. I just need a break because I'll be back with that attorney.
Yeah,
Um,
I need a break too. I'm laying on this new carpet, about to take a nap. I ain't even joking right now.
oh, he has some gift cards he wants to donate. So you have his number so we can do this raffle now. Come on, let's get this going. Oh, I'm
Hold
woke up
on.
now. I'm
What
woke
you
up now.
digging?
I'm
What
woke
you digging
now.
to say about me?
Look, I'm woke now. Y'all, we got some raffle he going to give away, some gift cards. These people, whoever left, they messed up by leaving. He's in Atlanta. Okay, okay, okay. He's in Atlanta. Okay. All right, we got some gift cards ready. Not now. Okay, not now. Okay, not now. We have to wait.
Hey, why did you make me feel bad? What I do now?
Well, I have an idea. When the gift cards get ready to come, how I want them to you. How I want to. Oh, okay. So I can meet up with him to get him to the people. That means I gotta freaking mail it out. Oh, that means I gotta go to freaking post office. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. He's a major investor. Okay, okay, all right, y'all. Major investor. He gotta put them. Oh, he gotta put them in my hand. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna have the gift cards in my hand, so I'll be giving out gift cards. Are they Walmart gift cards? What kind of gift cards are they? I see what Sylvia. What I was saying. Everything is about money. Everything's about money. But Avalon, let me tell you something. If you don't think money makes the world go round, then darling, I'm sorry. Now, the love of money is the issue. But money answers all things. That's what the scripture says. And that's in, let's see. Let's see. Well, I'll give you a scripture that says that. Money answers all things. That is in the Bible. It says money answers all things. That is in Ecclesiastic chapter 10, verse 10. Ecclesiastic chapter 10, verse 10. It says, man, money answers everything. So the love of money is the root of all evil, but money answers everything. So you can't spread the gospel without money.
Yeah, but you do know there's no value to money though.
No, it's not. No, it's not. But it's a form of exchange. I know money makes the world goes round, which is a gift and a curse. Yeah, Avalon, you are absolutely right on that one. It is a gift and a curse. It depends on how you want to use it and what you're using it for. You can use it to spread God's gospel. The love of
All I
money is
know
not.
is if you got a little bit of money, act broke.
Yeah. Daniel, you're not answering my question. I asked you if you were as an attorney, but you're putting all of these rules 35, motion
She said
44,
use it.
99. Hmm? Fifi said she should go. She should be number one and go into the concert, get a gift card. That's not how that works. No, Mimi, Fifi. That's not. He did. Daniel answer the question. I didn't see it. Hold on. Let me go up and see if. Let me go up and then see if the question.
He said he's an appeals court attorney.
Okay, where Daniel? I missed it. I'm sorry.
So we
My
need to get him
apologies.
on here today and get this show jumping.
Hey, Daniel, you want to come on? You want to click the link, or you busy? Hold on a second, y'all.
So you put the teeth up, but this is a little different. So you can leave like a little bit of teeth out.
Oh, no, he's appeal attorney. Uh, oh. How did I miss your message, Daniel? I don't see it. Why? How did I miss your I wish there was I could filter people's names so I could see all the messages that they put. That's one thing that we need to have on this. I don't see your message at all, Daniel. I don't know why I missed it. Wow. Sorry. Didn't mean to ask you the same question over and over. I still don't see your message. I don't know why. This is weird. Okay, you sound like a robot, sir. You sound like a robot. You sounding like a robot, sir. It's not here. I don't even see it here. I think StreamYard is not giving me all the messages, so I don't see his message at all. I'm looking at 153. I don't see it. Sir, and you sound like a robot. Okay, I see it now. You digging me? So, oh, sorry, I was trying to bring you back in and then I hit the remove you. Okay, I see it, Samantha. Thank you. 313, talk to the people. Hold on a second. You know what? Yeah, I'm going to end this live because I got to take care of something. Dallas is about to go to school and I got to take care of something for her. So, you guys, I'll see you guys in a few. Um, oh, no, he said that the attorney's not going to come on. So, I'll see you guys later on tonight because he said the attorney wants to set up something for Monday. All right, Daniel, I would love to have you on the live. Um, Let me see if I can schedule something with you, if you don't mind. Since you are the guru in this chat, because I know nothing about law. You're the guru in this chat. I'm not. What state do you practice in, Daniel? All right, guys. I'm gonna end my live. Um, Keep supporting Robert Sylvester Kelly. Come on, Daniel. I have a question. I'm reading these messages in here. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end. I know I would love to stay on, but I gotta end it. I got stuff to do. I gotta take care of something. All right, guys. I'll see you.
Blessed day, Sylvia. Talk to you
Oh,
later.
all right, hon. Thank you. I'll see y'all later. I'll probably come back in about another 3 hours if I just have to take care of something. I'll see you later. Love you guys. Bye.